goal for you guys is to have you achieve a smooth, flat wall, right? The manufacturers, they always recommend 3 coats. I always do 3 coats. Can you get away with 2 coats? Absolutely, you can. Can you use mesh tape? Absolutely, you can. You can do it in closets. You could do it behind counters, cabinets, excuse me. You could do it in places that you don't see, okay? But if you want a smooth, flat finish on your drywalls, and you're going to see it, you're going to sit there and look at it every day, you don't want to see where the seams are. You don't want to see the imperfections. You want to make it nice and smooth and flat. So that's our goal today. We're going to show you how to get there step by step by step, okay? I put 3 coats on everything, sometimes 4 on the cross butts, okay? A lot of videos out there show you how to do the inside corners in 2 coats or different methods to do the inside corners, caps and inside corners. I put 3 coats on everything, okay? So with that in mind, that's how I'm going to be showing you to move forward through the techniques that I have to do what I do, all right? Again, I'm not here to say any videos are better or worse. You should watch this, you should watch that. I'm here to tell you what works for me, what I've learned, the mistakes that I've made, and how I've brought that to your attention. That probably doesn't sound too good, but to show you the mistakes that I made and how to do it better and simplify it.